Alright, so excuse the background noise, but I ended up hopping in a trade. I started recording a little late. We got a bunch of bullishness coming in that market open. I was gonna wait till we came down and retested this fair value gap in the lower time frame, but I'm looking at VWAP and it's just absolutely dumb. So I ended up hopping in a long. Get a little bit of risk in this one, but I ended up selling one for $131 profit. Move take profit up to break even, and I have my two sells set up here. So just letting the play run. If we take a dub on this play, I'll probably be done for the day. If we take an L, maybe I'll catch one more if I find the setup, but maybe not. I don't want to push anything. We got 5-minute close. Might get stopped out here for break even. It's completely fine with me.
Order filled.
Yep. Looks like we're coming in back into this higher time frame fair value gap. Let's see what we do. Sheesh. Let's get a close down here. If we get a close down here, I'll probably hop in some sells. Let's see what happens. $150 on the day. And let's just play patient with this 5-minute fair value gap. Wait for some sort of confirmation. There we go. Got bulls coming back in. Might consolidate in this area for a bit. Alright, back in the bulls. So I'm gonna hop in more calls here. Hop in.
Order filled.
Calls. Stop loss. Right here. Let's see. Might have been a fake out. Come on, let's get pump. Come on, let's do a market closure. Come on, that's great market closure. I'm actually gonna move on my stop loss up a little bit. Thank you. It's because market's looking real bullish right now. Here we get up to that 6K level. Come on. What is market doing? Can't let it close up here, please. More confirmation. This can't close me now. Nice. Wow. Come on, let's pump it. 15-minute candle, looking bullish. There we go. Come on, let's make some higher highs. to wait this one out. Slow trade, slow trade. Let's watch some flight.
I'm here. So it's just what you do. If it wasn't you, don't worry about it. That's the big thing. That'll tell you it wasn't you. I get it, it's gonna happen, but you gotta still get your course on them. It's just send it to effect. So that's what we'll do. I'm here about this. All waiting for detectives to finish surveying the crime scene. Lieutenant Moore leads the deputy to the truck. So it's up here. See, so you can see that. I'm sure that's what it is. So, yeah. But this, that's weird. And I go here and let the rocks get something away. I just put your up here. It's weird. So strange. But
Nice, there we go.
unfortunately.
Order filled.
So we just got, oh my gosh. We just got filled on the first order. Let's move our stop loss a little bit into profit. We're up 424 on the day, and we're just waiting for the last take profit to get hit. First trade, I think I entered a little bit early. I definitely got ahead of myself, you know, off the lower time frame confirmations, but overall, I think it was clean. You know, market was giving us bullish confirmations. We made the fair value gap. Didn't close below. Wicked it one more time on a lower time frame. We came down, pumped above it, came down, wicked it a few times. You know, I don't know. I just felt like it was a comfortable trade for me to take today. You know, let me know what you guys think. Like I said before, everybody has their own opinion, and it's just a journey. So let's just see how this play ends up playing out today. So if we get stopped out, we'll be up around 500 on the day. Which I'm gonna move my stop loss a little bit lower, just because I feel like we're gonna have a little bit of retracement before a nice another pump. Maybe, might be wrong, but that's just my bias of the day. I don't know. Let's see what happens. So here I was starting to get worried just because we made that giant wick and we're failing to make a new higher high. As you see, like, we're getting lower with these wicks. Maybe if this wick can come up here and just pump above, alright, I'll start to get comfortable with the trade again. But if we come up here, get close to it, wick, start coming back down, then I'll start to get a little worried, because like this, market's starting to reject this price area. So let's just see what happens. Just gonna let this play run.
The deputy quickly snaps photos of the truck and the damage to the front headlight. As another deputy arrives on scene, they learn the female Jacob Burns was driving his truck. His name is Jenica.
Break the time, come on. Let's break the tire here, come on. There it is, come on. There it is, come on. I'm gonna take my feet.
Is willing to speak to investigators without his lawyer present. His friend Jackson, who was with him this morning, agrees to answer questions. According to him, it wasn't a date, but rather a get-together involving multiple friends. After a long night out, the entire group went to a cafe called Heart and Soul. Kyle, another friend who was with them this morning at the cafe, also arrives and agrees to answer questions. My Kyle's account, not really intoxicated boys drove their trucks, instead relying on two girls, Jenica and another female, who was
Soon be located and questioned. Meanwhile, Lieutenant Moore hands over his home.
Alright, I'm just gonna take profit on this trade right here. Looks like market's gonna start reversing, so just move stop loss up and get filled.
Order filled.
Clean day today. We have room for one more trade, but I'm gonna leave it at that. Up $673 on the trade on the day. Clean day today. Up 1,647 on the week. That was a nice sell. market is dumping. That was a beautiful sell. Clean day overall. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, everybody has their opinion. My opinion, it was a clean day. My bias was correct, at least for some time, at least for the trade I wanted. And if you guys are wondering why do I have multiple stop losses, it just gives you leverage. I see it as, let's say you take a trade for, let's say we're taking a trade to the downside, short position, right? You want to go for 2-to-1, let's say, or 3-to-1, whatever, and it'd be better to, instead of just having this one stop loss all the way down here, set one maybe about 15% of your way. That way you gain about $100, $200 depending on how much you're putting in, right? So boom, right about here you would have got you would have hit profit for your first stop, or hit your first stop loss, right, and taking some profit. That way you move your stop loss to break even, or you could even leave it where you're at, and you have money to just leverage. Sometimes depending how volatile market is, I like to move mines to where I close my last position. Because me personally, I'm always happy with profits. It's something you always gotta be happy about. But if you're more comfortable leaving it at where you entered the trade, you're still gonna have that leverage because you close that one position. So even if you come back, you go in the red, you might still be green for the day. Not completely, not if you get completely stopped out, you probably lose a little bit, but you're not going to lose as much. You'll have that leverage to play with, and it kind of just makes you more comfortable in your trade. Makes me like a lot more comfortable holding my trades. Like maybe right here, if you let's say you have that one contract, maybe you would be iffy because market's consolidating right here. We got VWAP, you got to retest. So what you could do is have another contract close at VWAP, and if it ends up breaking VWAP, you still have that other contract open at your final take profit. Maybe you're not gonna make as much money, but you're playing it a lot safer, and I feel like you are definitely profiting more. But yeah, that's just my way of thinking and my strategy. But clean day today. Exactly what I wanted. Just wanted a green day. Want to pass the eval. That's all I'm looking for. Not looking for nothing crazy. Just looking for something that makes me happy, and this makes me more unhappy. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the trading recap. Sorry for hopping in here late, but hope you guys had a green day today and stay green as a bean. Y'all already know.